You bet I don't have these emojis in fidgets? Let's find out. Okay, first up, I have this paw mochi. I actually sell these in my store now. Okay, next we have an earth. This is my earth stress ball. This is perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. How cool is this strawberry stress ball? I have this scented watermelon stress ball. Okay, banana. This sushi. But like, actually, how cool is this? Okay, bacon, cheese cup, a taco, pizza, fries, a hamburger, ice cream. Okay, I have this chocolate, Reese's. I have a donut, stress ball, M&M cookie dough slime. I literally just got these baseball poppers. And lastly, a dice popper.